Let's go, guys. It's Raoul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is dead easy job. I've got a key fob here, Toyota Prius 2009-10 kind of thing, Toyota Prius. We're going to go ahead and replace the battery, the key fob battery. Dead easy. You can do it in 5 minutes. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, the first thing what we're going to do is, there's the key fob, Toyota Prius. We're going to press this here where it says push. Can't really get it wrong. Where it says push, push that, and we'll get the key out. Okay, just give me a minute. Right, so basically we're going to push that on the side here where it says push, and this key should come out. Let me see if I can do this. Push it there. There we go, that key comes out. And what we're going to do is, with this key, we're going to put the key back in there, not all of it in, as you can see there, and just give it a little pry. There we go, that comes loose, and that should, it just clicks on, so take that off. Happy days, that comes off, and there's the battery. It says plus there, so obviously the plus will go on the top, minus on the bottom. So to get the battery off, little screwdriver, even little one than that, flicks off like that. Okay, so we'll put that to the side. Let's get the battery on. Okay, so we've got the new battery here. There's the old one, if you guys don't believe me. There's the old one, new one. So the way we refit it, we're going to slide it in this way. Okay, plus on the top, as you can see there. Slide it in there and just push down. Boom, there we go. Put the cover back on. I mean, you can't really get it wrong, the cover. It's all clicked on basically, just click on. There we go. Put this back on, the key back in there. And there we have it. One key fob battery for the Toyota Prius done. So there we have it, guys, all done and dusted. Took me less than 5 minutes really, you know, just take the cover off and that's it, boom, you're there. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.